Today we're talking about the next huge feature that Cash App will add. Quick disclaimer, this is all speculation, just my opinion. But as you can see, Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks. You can even do your taxes on here now. I have tutorial videos on my channel explaining how to use every one of these features if you want to check that out. There's a card where you can spend your balance and get discounts. And they have peer-to-peer payments. You can also do things like send gift cards, Bitcoin, stocks, and much more. So this really is becoming a full banking app and service. You could replace your bank with Cash App. You might be missing a couple features, but you really could do it at this point. I think there's one thing that Cash App can add, a huge feature that could really make it have everything at this point. And they're already partially there. They have the debit card where you can spend your Cash App balance. Now they just need to add a credit card. They kind of have this with Cash App loans, but not everyone has access to Cash App loans. So I think the next huge feature that they will add is a credit card or a way to earn points by using your debit card or some card within Cash App. That's kind of the one thing where it falls short of a bank account right now, like Chase or Bank of America or whatever you use. You can use those credit cards and build up points so you can buy trips or flights or get 1% cash back on your purchases, whatever you choose to do. So I think that's Cash App's kind of next huge thing that they'll add, a way to get points for using a card and spending your balance within the app. They already want everyone to do everything on Cash App. They want you to be sending your paychecks here. They want you to be putting your money in the savings and earning 4.5% interest. And they're super close. It's just that this feature would really make it so that you can do everything here on Cash App. I think you would even be able to get a credit score on Cash App at that point. So yeah, that's the next huge feature I think they'll add. Credit card or a way to earn points with your debit card, which would allow for more spending, credit score information, and things like that. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.